What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Arcway, a new direction of a modern man. And today's video, guys, I am sharing with you guys my beard growth kit. So this stuff is very important so you guys can make notes. I'm going to share all the links down below within my whole process, my whole routine. Subscribe to the channel and let's get started. So when it does come down to beard care, it is so important that you do have a routine. It's important to have specific products in your archive that you do own so you can pull them out anytime you need to. So to me, a beard growth kit is very, very important for you guys to have. I'll say it's one of those essentials that every guy must have. I'm gonna do this in order as best as possible for you guys, just so there's a little consistency and a little bit of process. So first thing on my list is beard soap. Make sure you guys get some proper beard soap because every day you're gonna need your beard soap to take care of your skin, take care of the whole process. So this is actually beard soap from my barber. It's a tea tree oil soap. It has olive oil, coconut oil, shea butter, castor oil, tea tree essential oil, tea tree leaf in it. So it's a combination of a lot of things. And the best thing of all, it's 100% natural. So if you are interested in this product, definitely go in the description down below. Order yourself some tea tree oil soap. With that being said, hand in hand, also make sure you do have shampoo and conditioner. I do have a little sample bottle from Kiehl's which I'm trying out right now. I do like it, but we'll get into that to another story. But this is the product from Kiehl's. Especially when you're on the road and when you are traveling, get yourself some shampoo and conditioner, maybe a toiletry size, so when you are traveling out of town or abroad, you want to make sure you can have and condition your beard at any time of your convenience. Next thing about this, guys, will be my creams and oils. So I have 3 products I do use here. So this right here is a moisturizer. That's a double butter. It does work magnificently. It's something I do recommend every guy to get. So make sure you pick up some As I Am double butter. It smells tremendous. The quality and the thickness of it is pretty rich, and it just actually does a lot of justice for me. That's a double butter. This is something you just put on maybe during the day or just before you leave the house. It's something just to feel a lot more moisturized with your beard. It doesn't feel too dry at the end of the day. So get yourself some double butter. That's a double butter. So next thing I would use is the leave-in conditioner. This thickness is actually a lot more runnier than the double butter, but at the same time, I do find this is actually good for when you want to leave it in overnight. The next thing I recommend is the Macumba shea butter. This is the classic shea butter raw, no artificial ingredients. This is just natural stuff from Africa. So right here is a shea butter. It does come in 2 forms. It does come in white and it does come in yellow, but this thickness of this is quite thick as it is. So I'll probably put this on in my beard at night times. I'll tend to do that a lot more with the heavier stuff because I just don't like when my beard is too heavy. The thing I'll get into, gents, is my beard oils. So I'm in rotation right now, just trying a few different beard oils out right now. So I have 3 different types of products. I have a Nourishing Beard Oil by Kiehl's. I have a Jack Black beard oil. It has Malone oil and vitamin E in it. This actually probably is my least favorite as of right now. It is like a minty type of beard oil, but I just feel like it's not as of quality as of these 2 products so far. This is the beard oil. You guys can definitely try it out. But I'm still trying to figure out my beard scent and what my beard oil fancies are. The next thing I recommend you guys to own is a tea outliner. Tea outliner is something that I use personally because I can't use a razor. When you're a chocolate man, you can't use a razor because you're gonna get bumps all over, and it just leaves for discoloration of your skin. And at the same time, it's just not how my hair grows. I will use my Andis tea outliner. Any nationality can use a tea outliner. If you go to an urban barbershop, then you probably be seeing this a lot more than you probably really know your barber's last name. So I'll typically get myself a tea outliner. I got this a few years ago, but you can get it off Amazon. The link will be in the description down below. I basically use this outliner just to clear up my beard hairs underneath. This makes sure it's nice and sharp, so my barber can actually do his job a lot more effectively. But at the same time, I kind of know my skin under here, and I know how sensitive it does get. So that's something I do require for all you guys to grab is a T outliner, especially when you guys are traveling and you guys need to just sharpen up a little around the edges here. Get yourself a T outliner. And within combination of the T outliner, I do recommend 10 skin. This is something my barber recommended to me, and it kind of just heals that whole process of that. And just having the razor bumps is irritating, as you guys may know of. So get yourself some 10 skin, because it's important to have a little bottle of 10 skin when you guys travel. My last but very most important thing of this whole thing is my pick and my brushes. So make sure you do have quality brushes of all different textures, different qualities. So this is my first brush. This is one of my main brushes. It is a hard bristle here, and this side is a soft side. I actually do have an updated one about this. I don't know where it is, but it's a smaller handheld version, so it's a lot more smaller. I use it for my waves, but I also use it for my beard right here on the sides. And then I do recommend you get like a pick comb. I'm not sure how it works for straight hair, but I use it for my curly hair, so I just pick it out anytime I need to. Make sure it gets a little more puff, a little more fluff in there. I have a little handheld mustache comb by Braxter of California. So they have good products you guys can check out as well. So basically I just use this to brush up and touch up the beard a little bit. And simply said, that is just what it is with my beard growth kits. If you guys do find this video useful, make sure you leave a comment in the section down below. And the question of the day, guys, tell me something that you use in your beard growth kit that I might not even have here, or tell me what you guys just generally have, just for your feedback, so I know you guys love this video and you guys are enjoying these type of videos. Make sure you leave a comment in the section down below. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because I'll be dropping videos twice a week.